Hello stalkers, welcome back. Today we saw most of the stocks closed in red. We saw some selling pressure coming in. I personally think it was due to the IPO effect. We will see Pure Health IPO starting from tomorrow. I have uploaded a video already. Just in case if you have missed that video, I will provide the link right at the top. You may watch that video for all the information related to Pure Health IPO. For now, we can see today Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index dropped down till about 9,490, and then right at the time of closing it bounced back and it has closed right near the range. Closing is at 9,520, and with today's candle there are good chances it can visit 9,480 area. That is the next support. Let's have a quick look at the DFM market index. We saw similar kind of reaction. Today it dropped till about 3,955 and then it recovered. Closing is at 3,978. Still 4,000 is resistance, and with today's candle we can see index have started to trade below this range, that is support, and with today's candle there are chances it may come down to retest 3,940. Overall, both the market saw some selling pressure coming in. Hopefully after the IPO market will settle and we will see liquidity coming back into the market. Now let's discuss today's listing, that is Phoenix. This is the 15 minutes chart of Phoenix Group that got listed in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange today. It opened at 2.25 and high was at 2.26. We saw selling pressure coming in almost immediately and it made a low till about 2.12 on the first 15 minutes itself. However, after this move to the downside, it was showing some signs that it will hold and then possibly it can make a breakout. I was watching this very closely. I wanted to enter right at the time of breakout. This is a good build-up. When a stock is just going sideways within a tight range, it will make a breakout very soon. If it broke to the upside, definitely it was a buying opportunity. When I saw this dodgy red candle below the support area, this was quite evident that selling pressure will continue. And then again we saw Phoenix building up small range right around 2.01. We saw a big bounce, but the volumes were too little to trust this candle, and with very next candle's opening it was evident that selling pressure is most likely to continue because it opened with a gap down. For now we can see closing is not very positive at 2.03. Today's high is at 2.26, low is at 2.01, so we can see this stock was very volatile. For now, any buying should be planned only above this area. I want to see a candle close above 2.11. This is the resistance area for now, 2.11. Once we see good buying coming in with good volumes, candle close above 2.11, this stock will be bullish, and from here we can expect it to go up. It will try and visit the next area of resistance, that is today's opening at 2.25. Once it reaches here, it will decide its direction either by going sideways or getting rejected and coming down to retest the support zones. For now, this stock is in a no trading zone for me. I will wait for a proper price action to take any trades. On the negative side, if at all we see selling pressure coming in, we have seen a bounce from 2.01 area. Maybe it can retest and even go lower from here. We never know, it can come down till about 1.95 to 1.90 as well. Since this is a new stock, we are seeing selling pressure coming in. We will wait for it to stabilize, and then when it makes a move to the upside, this is a place where we will get buying opportunity and to catch the trend right from the bottom almost. I'm sure Phoenix subscribers must not be happy with today's performance, but don't lose hope. Let's see how it performs this week. I will keep updating. For more updates, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.